Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a night sky in Unreal Engine. It's not difficult, at minimum we already have a star sky available in engine content. Also before we start I have to tell you that this approach will not work correctly with volumetric clouds. Let's start by creating a project from template. I'm using the third-person platformer template. And add a folder named game for our game content. And inside add an actor BP Moon. Inside add a spring arm component. Set the spring arm length to 500,000. Then to the spring arm add a material billboard. Now we need to create a material for the moon. For the material texture, I selected moon image from Wikipedia, because for example, that will be enough. Import that image and rename it to T-Moon. Next create a material and name it Moon Sprite. Open it. Set the blend mode to translucent. And the shading model to unlit. Now add a texture sample to the graph. It's not required, but I would like to desaturate the texture. Set the fraction value to 1 to make the image fully grayscale. Next, multiply the texture by color. I choose a pastel yellow to give a soft moonlight feel. Then multiply the result by 2 to boost the brightness. And plug it into the emissive color. Now let's remove the black background from the image. Take the length of the RGB input and connect it to an if node. Set B to 0.01. If A greater than B, return 1. If A less than B, return 0. Connect the result to the opacity input. Now open BP Moon again and assign the moon material to the material billboard. Set the billboard size to 32,000. And rotate it to -45 on the y-axis. Disable do collision test on the spring arm. Then add a directional light to actor. Match its rotation to the spring arm's rotation. Set intensity to 2 lux. And choose bluish white color to simulate moonlight. Now open the level. Leave only the post-process, sky atmosphere and skylight. add the moon to position 0. And let's add the sky. Open the content browser, click the setting button, and enable Engine Content. Next open Engine Content, Engine Sky, and add BP Sky Sphere to this scene. Set sun height to -1. And night scene is ready. Also, project will be available to download from my Patreon. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.